Welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed concepts related to quality assurance and quality engineering. In this video, we will discuss different views of quality based on different roles, responsibilities, and quality expectations of different people. Well, there are several views about quality, and they vary according to different contexts. Here we have a categorization of these views, which is given by Kitchenham and Frieger. According to this categorization, the quality views are categorized into transcendental view, user view, manufacturing view, product view, and value-based view. So, what is a transcendental view? According to this view, quality is hard to define, or it can be described in some abstract terms, but it can be recognized if it is present in any product. So it is generally associated with some intangible properties that are pleasing for the users. Whereas the user's view, we all are more familiar about these views. That for such in such view, quality is in fact fitness for purpose or meeting the user's needs. In manufacturing view, quality means conformance to the process standards or the requirements imposed by the standards. In the product view, the focus is on inherent characteristics or attribute of the product. For example, in case of software products, these characteristics might be like efficiency, reliability, maintainability. So these inherent characteristics in the products, they must be present according to this view. Whereas in the value-based view, quality is in fact customers' willingness to pay for a certain product or software system. So according to this view, if a product is a quality product, the customers are willing to pay more for that product. About software quality, people may have different views and expectations based on their roles and responsibilities. So these roles and responsibilities can be mainly categorized into two groups. The first one is consumers of software products and services, whereas the second one is producers of software products and services. So consumers. So who are the consumers? For example, the customers, the users, or any non-human users, for example, other systems that may be getting data as input, or using the system's functionality in some way. They are in fact consumers of software products and software services. So for such type of consumers, the system's external view, that is very important. For example, like such type of consumers, they are interested in for example, the performance of the system, the efficiency of the system, the reliability of the system. And for such type of user, the system is mainly just like a black box that they are not concerned with any internal details of the system or internal structure of the system. So quality expectations of such type of users, of course, they are different for of course, for different types of users. Usability, that may be important for novice or new users of the system, whereas efficiency or reliability, that may be important for some expert users. Similarly, the other important quality characteristics or attributes that may be important for such types of users are like correctness, performance. So the second type of roles is producers of software products. Who are producers? In fact, anyone involved with the development, management, maintenance, marketing, and service of software products can belong to this category of producers. For the producers, the internal view of the system is important, besides the fulfillment of functional requirements. And this is actually in contrast to the consumer's view, where that view is more focused on the external properties of the system, for example, the performance of the system. So by internal view, we mean that these roles are more concerned with the design, architecture, or code of the system. So besides fulfilling the contractual requirements, the producers are also interested in design, size of the system, the complexity of the system, and uh, change in the system. So the two types of roles have different quality expectations and are in fact helpful in characterizing the quality of the software systems. So that's all about our discussion on quality expectations and quality views. In the next video of this lecture, I will discuss the correctness and defect perspective of the software systems. Please watch that video.